This is my team, it's a VIP. These children are from a place called Mthwalume.
Since these kids started to play soccer by my home, so I decided to give them a help because they don't have a soccer jersey. So I met up with Satika from Pick and Pay. She's the one who is helping us for everything. Today, Pick and Pay sponsored us with a soccer jersey for these kids.
I would like to thank Pick and Pay for this sponsorship. It means a lot to us. This is helping to take the children out of the streets.
We are really happy and we're looking forward to do good in all the time. Thanks a lot.
Pick and Pay, VIP.